like,
Okay,
like
guys.
just
Okay, wait, boxers. If I link
Yeah,
your
the one
VIP
name.
group and your mentorship group, you're gonna be fine with it, ne?
Me.
Yeah.
Now I'll kill you. Sir. I'm not lying. Mine.
Okay.
No, thing is I'm serious. Thing is because me have never scammed anyone. And I work hard, though. Me and
Also,
me,
as
we
you
don't
worked
play.
hard,
We
we
don't play
also
that game.
worked hard to get where we are.
Now you don't leak it, Papa. I'll find you. I won't play that game.
Why? Why?
Then
bro,
when I imagine
bro.
6 years of
I feel
trading,
like this
then you're
thing
gonna
is
dish out my
I
shit.
feel like this
Uh,
thing is getting out of hand. I've said my part on Dr. Martin that bro respect the guy. So as I said about Ashley has to be here. So there isn't much to be done, you know. There isn't much to be said. Like you just do whatever you want to do, as long as like we gave you, I gave you a piece of an advice from my side. You feel me? That, like, you just have to be in the
I
same person,
understand, dog.
same
But me,
company.
my question is, why would you, why would you can't pay and get nothing? That is wrong. Exactly, Marco. That's what I'm trying to say. They didn't get anything. That's the thing with Dr. Martin. He didn't deliver the
What
service.
happened? Did you hear Dr. Martin's side of story? Or you didn't? That's okay.
Hey, it
We're
doesn't matter.
losing it. Yeah, we're losing it, guys. Like, we have to hear two sides of the
Manando,
story.
check,
We blocked the
check,
noise,
ne?
dog, because I know there's
Manando,
haters.
Manando, check, ne? You are right when you are saying, nah, did he hear the side of Dr. Martin? Did he hear Dr. Martin's side? Ne? But thing is, if trading hour was to contact him, ne, I'm sure he
Also
was never
block.
going to answer that call. Or this is. But little I would understand because it's all about the approach. Right? So,
Dog, I
at the
always
end of the
come
day,
with good
no, check, I'm
approach.
good.
Trading
Check.
Hub
At the end of the
approaches
day,
you in the
that
form
thing,
of a demon.
remember, eh? I just
Trading
remember
Hub
there's a time
approaches you
when
in the
Dr.
form of a
Martin,
demon.
check, my man. There's a time when Dr. Martin, I think, was on live via Trading Hub. Ne? I can't waste my time with this 19-year-old. Understand? So, what I'm trying to say, I don't think Dr. Martin will ever come and respond to Trading Hub. Right? So, what I'm trying to say, we'll never
The
get the true answer
approach
of what
says a
happened.
lot. They once spoke. They were even
Hey,
about to buy each other Uber Eats. I don't know what changed.
Yeah, dog.
So now
We once spoke.
it
Yeah.
turned from
We agree to that, dog. We agree to that. I
the
once
friendship
spoke.
was good.
Number
The
one,
friendship was
no,
good.
number one.
You see that
Listen, man. The thing is, you don't
if
know the
Trading Hub
story.
had that friendship, if Trading Hub had that friendship, like the approach would be what the approach would be in a good way, because the approach it would be like he's used to like talking to Dr. Martin, just like
Because
the way
Dr.
that you
Martin
like.
lied. That's why.
Listen, oh, and I'm like
Number
the
one,
way you talk to me.
listen. Dr.
Bro, you don't
Martin
want to
lied.
listen to me.
That's
You
why,
don't
like, I
want to
was
listen to me.
angry, dog. That's why I was
Oh,
angry
no.
because Dr. Martin
Hunter.
lied because we found out that, like, that he was not the owner of the car, and that's what
Oh,
made us angry,
Trading
and
Hub.
that's the reason why. And I don't
Oh,
deny the fact that I offered him for Uber. I offered him to order Uber Eats. I don't deny that, but then what I won't
bro,
deny
Trading
also is
Hub.
that Dr.
Trading
Martin
Hub.
does not own that
Like, check.
info,
Like,
and I'm gonna post the number plate,
oh,
and you will see what I'm talking about.
on Trading Hub. Like,
We
if
don't
you
play
were
like
like,
that, bro.
if you were to approach me, how would it be? Won't it be simple to approach me? Because me and you like we talk.
We talk
So
because
like
our
with
our
Dr.
our
Martin,
relationship is tight. Dr.
you
Martin's
were still on
relationship
that
is not tight. There's a
relationship
difference.
until it's like saying, yo, Manando, can you please talk to like your boy? Like you always tell me what to do. Like Manando, can you at least talk to your boys? I feel like even with Dr. Martin, if you can get someone who's close to him, hey yo, mang, can you please at least tell Dr. Martin that people are crying about
Emina,
certain
fuck
things
Dr.
and like
Martin, dog. Whatever he thinks, whatever he says.
Okay, now.